crazy goose. They go way back when the goose got loose. Crazy times, and that's the truth. Doop-doop-de-doo-doop-doop-de-doo. Lost machine called a big surprise. For all the pets got trapped inside. All of them got super eyes. Boop-boop-de-doo-boop-boop-de-doo. What's P-Town gonna do? Some of the pets got sick though too. Watch out, she's coming through. Oops.
At the P-Town Museum, where today the spectacular crown of Queen Bling Bling goes on display. Sparkly. Chief Delaney, is this world-famous treasure safe in P-Town?
Absolutely, Sarah. I'd stake my job on it. The gravitron system is unbeatable.
So, just how good is this gravitron? Earlier, I spoke to P-Town's famous master thief, the fabulous Jonathan, who is currently behind bars at the P-Town Penitentiary.
Hi, Sarah. Loving that outfit. Welcome to my fabulous cell. Yes, the gravitron system is absolutely unbeatable. I mean, I'm a fabulous thief, and I couldn't get past it. Who else could acquire that crown? Mother Goose? Please! Ha ha ha! She's not smart enough. She'll be at home right now on her tushy, filling her face with chocolates. Not smart enough? Me? How dare he? To the duck hunter!
So, the crown is safe even from Mother Goose. Back to the studio.
Oh boy, I see trouble ahead. Wakey, wakey, Bingo!
These P243 rollerblades need a bit of fine-tuning.
Come on, Dodge. Bingo, we gotta go. Boys, the goose just got slammed, and I bet my perfect fur she's not gonna take it lying down.
Superization is go, go, go.
Yeah.
We've successfully gotten in, as I knew we would. I am a criminal genius, after all, despite what some peacocks say. We are having a little trouble with these lasers, though. What to try next? Norman! Oh,
Yes, Mom.
be a dear and throw Wilbur at that crown for money.
Boy.
You won't get away with this, you feathery fiend!
Yeah. Why don't you come over here and say that?
Just you try and stop me!
Morning. Sheba!
Huh? Oh boy.
I was gonna say, watch out for that big robotic thingamadoodle, don't poop flop. Only the furball left. You're doomed. That crown will look divine over
its hands full. Literally.
You're supposed to be in jail!
That's the thing about being a master thief. As well as being really good at breaking into places, I can also break out. I knew you'd be easy to rile, Goosey.
I'll get you for this, pea-brain!
Oh, sticks and stones will break my bones, but in this crown, I'll look fabulous.
Wow, that's some serious blingage. I love it.
Well, you've all been super fun, but I've got to get back to jail before someone misses me. Toodles! See ya! Wouldn't wanna be ya!
Wow! My duck hunter! Which one of you idiot ducks lit the keys in the ignition? He's getting away!
Not yet, he hasn't.
The crown! Right, you guys are all for it. There's a button here that'll dump all of you into a big cage. And that was apparently not it.
After I duck hunter!
Squad to the rescue! Oh, yes. You are fabulous.
Hand that over, Jonathan.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah.
Who's flying this thing?
Huh?
Wait a minute. I don't know how to fly this thing.
You'll never catch me, pussy. We're in the air. I'm a birdie. Hello. I may not be able to fly, but I can glide. Toodles.
9 lives. I need you.
Oh, bouncy.
Cats always land on their feet. Cats always land on their feet.
Hey, kitty. Need a ride?
Nice room, boys. Now let's bag ourselves a birdie.
I am so beautiful to me. No villain escapes Pet Squad.
Well, not twice anyway.
You got me, big boy. Just tell me one thing. I do look fabulous in this crown, don't I?
Special delivery.
I'm the best policeman ever.
You're it, baby.
Where's Prof? Well, my lovely pets, the rockets were clearly not a good idea. Come here.